definitely something good.
Let me see. Okay, good thing. I see a Union Pacific on it. It's the last engine. Union Pacific. My gosh, there he comes.
Those guys better get off the track back here. They're gonna get run over. You better call them.
I don't think so. I
It's
don't.
gonna be a tragedy.
There he comes. Union Pacific and the back on the last engine. Next thing, behind us, then we're good. See the Union Pacific, CMO?
Dude.
You see the Union Pacific thing, right?
Yep.
Which one's the Union Pacific, son?
It's the engine right there.
Which one?
It's the yellow one.
Okay.
Union Pacific. This thing is gonna go by us. You hear him? You hear him beep the horn?
He's waving at you. He's waving at you. Wave at him. Wave at him.
He was waving.
So I never seen that train beep the horn like that before. You filmed him beep the horn, right?
Yes.
Union Pacific says it right there.
Union Pacific.
You want to go to the other side?
Hey, film the.
You want to go to the other side?
No, I don't want to film the side. See how big this thing is?
It's mesmerizing.
There's only one paper. Is there more primes? Don't tell me there's more primes. Don't tell me there's more primes.
Yeah, you don't have to. You can, but it's also just a really pretty area.
Prime! Why is there so many prime cars?
Yeah, so if you're not interested in things over there.
Now the orange light red.
But again, they've got a lot of driving to do there.
Those sounds are too loud that we can hear them. And this thing is going to be long. Not like this shouting voice.
Inside voice, dudes.
Those
Front
three
y'all.
engines mean it's going to be a long one. These cars are my favorite cars. So now I sold this train that has these cars this many times on the train.
The train is moving. Are you okay?
If you bring that recliner chair up here, watch the view and the view.
Yeah, that's what's. It's like this would be bonus down here. This would be great. Yeah. Yeah.
The orange light attracts me to stay here. I'm going to do the rain cake. See the green cars? Mateo, there's a hole in here. No.
Oh, sure is. Look at this.
So that's why we can hear. Can you please get away from there? Because I'm afraid it's going to break and you'll fall. It is too skinny to fall inside. Oh. I mean like the whole break and then you fall. That's what I mean. You like stand there for a second and then down. Roanoke, Virginia is a very great place. There's the end. The end's about to go by us. That was a long one, but it's very short. You distracted me. You distracted me. stop going right there. Hey, that thing's gonna break and then you fall in there and die, you know. You like stay there for a split second and then, yeah. That's true. So don't go down.
That orange like red.
Might break if the glass It's because breaks. The train just went past. Sometimes it means there's a train coming. Sometimes it don't. Yes.
You gonna put it on the other side?
I'm gonna hurry up. Look at this thing. There he goes. The train was big. Oh, there's another hole. Oh, they're everywhere, I think, around here. Oh, you sure are right. There's a hole there. Hole there. That's a cool thing.
Okay,
We got that thing now. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.